Priya spoken tutorial hello creating classes. Hakaning jikai principally shipang class haka pratheshisha class haka Java kashinrong janga Java class syntax na benta ka Java class kanuksa barit janga Java class. Hangning ipendan kam Ubuntu version katwe ponchi po JDK iwe ponyen rio but Eclipse tai ponyen nyo ponyot. When you can jikai pitiman tip kumlu bentho compile but run a Java program haka Eclipse. Nada aims wapet yaki spoken tutorial halor kini topic kibutan haka spoken-tutorial.org. Menta tungin pet ke eka class haka prathei shisha. Boro ki bang ui haka prathei ki object. Wajah boro ki object la ban bu ala ki jong ki kunhuan bekerpang. Ala kawi ka kunhuan la te kum ka class. Kum kanuksa ubrio udai ka class. Ni boro ki object bapher jangan ka class. Idan buon jat ki khot kum ki khmat kejat kti bat kumta ter kabalang common ya ka class human being ka jing ka jing bam ka jing yat etc ilong jingle balong pat ba jaka human being class menta tengin pet ka ka class ha ka Java class ka dei ka blueprint ha ka bala shna yu object ka shendong jaka Java class ka class ka batai ya shikinhon ki jinglang bakhot variables ya shikinhon ki lukom jingle bakhot methods menta tengin pet ya ka syntax ban declare ki classes modifier, class, class name, upper curly bracket, variable, constructor, but method declaration. Ni sapuli bani achipangki ni haki jinkai ki bandang wan. Menta tungin shna ya simple class dak bapanan kam ya Eclipse. Na de plil pa ya Eclipse. Menta tungin shna ya project. Kumta klik ka file. Let's ka new. Ba klik ka Java project. Haka new project wizard tho ya project name kum class demo daw dak he how C wa D. Nang ta klik ka finish. Ila bani I ba ya project class demo hadap shna. Minta kan shna ya Java class bakat student. Tira klik ka class demo. Let's ka new ba klik ka class. Haka new Java class wizard type bi ka kerteng kum student. Hangling ila bani I baka modifier ka di public. Kani ka pin I baka class ka pao shabaro ki classes ki badan. Ada ka class kamdan modifier ka balong default ka pao tang hapo ka package jong la jong. In sa pulish pangki packages hakawi paki tutorial. Hang ni hadap jet public haka method stubs jet public static void main nang ta klik haka finish. Ngila bani I baka class student tadip shna minta tu nganweng lagi comments. Ka student class kala bandan ki jinglong kum kerteng roll number marks etc. Tiapo kani ka class student and declare ya artly ki variable roll number but name. Dengan type in roll underscore number semicolon string name semicolon. Tinggal declare ya artly ki variable. Minta ka class ka dan ru ya ki methods. Tungin shna ya ka methods bakot student detail. Kani ka method kan ai ka detail jong uway po uway u kena. Kumtangan type void student details nang ta play bat khangi ki bracket play ki curly bracket minta kani ka method kan ai u roll number baka kerteng jong student ti type system.out.println hapo bracket with double quotes the roll number ilak type kum is close double quote plus roll underscore number semicolon. Howlai mebut system.out.println hop bracket on double quotes. The name is plus name but semicolon. Minta hop a main method in type system.out.println hop bracket but double quote. We have created a class with 2 variables and 1 method. Nilai class student. Minta tungan save your file tak banyon control plus S key hakajuk kapor. Sya bangan run program tak banyon control plus F11 key hakajuk kapor. Yo ika output kum, we have created a class with 2 variables and 1 method. Kum pengen type haka main method. Haka ni kadukam nilai yaka class. Kumta haka ni kajikai ila pulish pang ka class haka Java at kuno bashna class haka Java. Pas kung thu ila di, shna ka class bakot employee but a variable emp underscore number but emp underscore name. But ka method print employee ka papanpaw ya ka employee information. Pantip kambon pang ka spoken tutorial project pet ya ka video kapadan haka link harum. Kabatay lingkot ya ka spoken tutorial project. Ada pimdan ug bandwidth ubaklan pila ban download pat pet ya ka. Ka spoken tutorial project team kapalong iki workshop nagpapanan kami iki spoken tutorial but I certificate ik papas haka online test. Mantip kambanya sumpatho suka contact at spoken-tutorial.org. Ka spoken tutorial project kadishbenta naga project talk to a teacher nakashani ka National Mission on Education lingba ICT MHRD Government of India. Kambon ki jingtip halor ka commission kadanaga spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. Kumning ila poy shkabukot chukani ka jihikai. Yakan script lapan kelas ketin kasi dari kerap khat wansham. Kublish shibol.